quizzes assessment to see your knowledge on using the Canva tools. And when you finish that, you can start our welcome activity. You'll see that it's a collaborative document. So you can, in the top, you can see like we're all joined in. And if you scroll down or click the arrow on the bottom, you can see that every page has someone's name on it. So you're going to find your page and you are going to decorate it with 3 to 5 things that represent you. Got some beautiful creations so far. Once you've decorated yours, you can look at other people to see some things that represent everybody else. Just be careful not to click on it or move anything, because that will make edits on their page. The goal is to be taking our Canva presentations and embedding them into Canvas for students to collaborate within Canvas and create a digital gallery walk. So the end goal of this professional development is to create an assignment within Canvas and provide your students with a template that you created on Canva and showing them how to embed it into a discussion post that creates a digital gallery walk. So this is a template link. So when the kids click on the link, it will give them a blank template. Use that template and it automatically makes a copy for themselves. So as they scroll down, their project is a live link and is continuously updating as they work on it. So what I have them do is as soon as they create their own copy, I show them how to embed it into Canvas. So that way their work is already there. And so I created this graphic of the steps of the buttons they have to click from Canva and the buttons they have to click in Canvas. And that is what we're going to be working on today. And so it just looks like this. That's like a finished one. And tomorrow the kids will be replying to each other's with specific feedback using these guiding questions. Assessment, I saw most of us know how to use the tools in Canva. And so I made just a quick like graphics for those who don't. And that way they can always be referred back to help you later. And you can find those under additional resources on the website. And so you can create a design. Some examples that I like to use with the students are infographics, presentations, or flyers. Students can also make videos, so they can make commercials. Also use a template that Canva has thousands of templates already made for you. So you can search for anything that you want. So I wanted to create a graphic. Today, you will have the option to create your own design or use a template of a project about designing your dream vacation. And you and your partner will practice creating a project and sharing the link with the partner, because that's what we want to teach our students to be able to do using different computers. It's efficient and allows like hands-on and not 2 kids looking at one computer. So sharing a collaborative link, one person would start the project, you'll push the share button, and you can type in your partner's name. So, and same with your students in your classroom. So your students can type their partner's first and last name in, and their email will pop up, and that will share right to the partner. Or you can share a collaboration link. And so if you are going to collaborate with the partner, you want to change the settings to anyone with a link and give them the ability to edit. So today you can type your partner's name in and share the design through Canva, or you can use a collaboration link and send it in the chat box once you're in your breakout room. This is just the most popular tools that Canva has to offer. And so this Canva library has everything that you need while you're doing your Canva creation. You can search for templates. So you can find a template under the Design tab. Your elements are all the elements that you want to put into your presentation. So their elements can be a graphic, a photo, a shape, a video. If you want to upload, save your photo to your computer and then upload it into Canva using this uploads button. My students made a stop motion video and we had to record audio, and they downloaded their audio to their computer and they uploaded it here into Canva. And so I can, in the additional resources, that stop motion video is an example in there that you can look at later. When you click the T button, they'll have custom made template text that you can use, or you can select your own. This is your text toolbar. It's very similar to Microsoft Office tools. You can change font, size. Your effects can make your text have shadows like the background. And then adding in your photos, every photo or element you add, you have the option to edit. So when you edit your photo, you have the option to remove the entire background. You can also just use a magic eraser and erase just the parts you want to erase from your photo. And you can add filters and effects to your photos. Of how to embed your project from Canva and embed it into Canvas. These are your magical shortcuts to engage your students. So if you want to set a timer, you can push any number on the keyboard and your timer will start. You can make your class be quiet by pushing the Q. If your kids get a question right, you can do a drum roll or confetti. And whenever you're creating in Canva on your own, you can always refer back to this slideshow under additional resources. Today, you are going to get the opportunity to practice. The best way to learn is to do. And I will put you all in a breakout room, and you are going to be creating a presentation about your dream destination. You have the option to design your dream destination presentation from a template that I have created, or if you're feeling spontaneous and you want to create your own custom presentation, you can do that as well. In your presentation, you are going to include the destination. You are going to include excursions that you want to do on this trip and what you need to pack. You're going to show off your Canva skills by including elements like graphics, pictures, and videos. And you're going to make your presentation unique by changing the fonts and colors and effects. And I'll show you the template so you can see an idea of what we are looking for in this presentation. So this is the template. This blank picture is a frame. And you can choose a photo or a video, drag it directly into the frame, and it will fill your frame. So it's an easy drag and drop. Another tool that is helpful in Canva is this comments tool. And so I've added comments with directions to do on each slide. Your students can also use this comments tool to provide feedback to each other. So if they share their link into a Canva discussion post, their classmates or you all can go in and comment on the slides and give feedback of possible things that they can edit to enhance their presentation. And so you have your dream destination, 3 excursions, and then you and your partner's suitcase. So what are you going to fill your suitcase with? So when you finish your collaborative project with your partner, you will embed it into a discussion post. To embed into Canvas, to center my cursor to make sure the presentation is in the middle, and then you push insert, and there's that keyword embed, and it will pop up a text box. This is where you're going to paste your embed link from Canva. You would push share, more, and there's your keyword embed. And you want to make sure you copy the HTML embedded code. And you push Control V to paste it, or right click and paste it into Canvas. And you push submit and you post your Canvas reply. If those directions are in this Canvas presentation. How to embed is one of the slides, so you can look back at it. And you will reply to at least one other group project. And you can use these questions to help guide your feedback. And when you finish that, there is a post quizzes, and then we're done. So thank you so much. I will put you in your breakout rooms with your partner. Where should we go?
I was going to say, where are you going on your honeymoon? We can go there.
I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
Ooh, that's exciting.
Ooh, I don't know. Bora Bora. That just sounds fun.
Is that one word or two?
I don't know. I think two. Bora Bora. Oh, I love it. There's a song, Bora Bora. Should we put the song?
We should. That'd be perfect.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's playing. I didn't. Okay, that looks beautiful.
Oh, I love it. Look at that. I put a picture in.
Oh my gosh, go you. Oh, look at how nice.
Oh, that looks fancy.
Love to see it. Wow, look at us go.
We're killing it.
We are killing it.
Oh, I found a cute beach bag.
Cute.
Way too big. Now we have the phone issue.
I don't know what else to put in. I got shoes, sundress, maybe.
Look, I found the cutest little sunshine, but I'm like, that would be weird to pack.
It would be weird, but it would be also cute. There's so many cute little suns. All right, my suitcase is full.
Like how you put all yours on the bottom, and I was like, look, my stuff floats.
Oops. Hey, it's fine. Artistic interpretation.
We have to share it.
We do. Okay, do you want me to share it, or you don't want to share it?
Or you can.
Okay, I can. All we do is embed it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we comment on someone else's.
Okay, cool. All right, share. Okay. It's the HTML embed code, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yay. Okay, do I embed it as a link? Okay.
Insert and then embed.
Okay, there was where I was missing the insert. Okay. Yay. All right, she's posted.
Oh, it's so cute how you just click at the bottom and it changes pages.
I know. I like that.
Oh, and then yours plays relaxing beach sounds.
Oh my gosh.
That's fun.
Yeah, I put that on there.
Hello.
Hi.
It's teleporting you back to whole group. I heard some great discussions while you were collaborating, making your dream destination presentation. And I see some people have already embedded it into Canvas. So you're using the skills we talked about. And so it's very exciting to see. Thank you so much for coming and participating today. Is there anything that you want to share out that you picked up or strengthened your skill set on today?
I didn't know until today that you could get rid of the background of a photo, and I find that very entertaining.
That is the best way. I used to do it on PowerPoint, and that was so tedious.
Yes, this is so much easier. Click a button and it was just gone.
I didn't know you could put a video in those little picture frames. Like we found like a Bora Bora video. We're like, oh, that's fun. And then we like went to present. We're like, oh my gosh, it actually plays the music. So we didn't know you could do that.
Definitely creates an engagement piece in your presentation. So this is their Bora Bora, and it's moving in the background. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. packed their suitcases. Love it.
Well, I learned that you can't crop all pictures in Canva, which I thought you could, but you can't apparently crop all of them. I really needed the things to go in the suitcase so that
I was trying to do that too. So I was trying to do it, and it did not want to cooperate with me. And I was sad because I wanted it inside. So then I had to kind of rearrange it a little to make that work.
I love
I would
these
like
little.
you all to note that my husband packed more snacks than anything else in his suitcase.
I
That's
noticed.
what you need to bring.
Hey, one of you bring the clothes, one of you bring the snacks. It all works out.
I
That
had
is
to
a
mine too.
great way to pack.
That is a happy marriage right there.
Could you reply to one other group, reading them by name, something you noticed or like about their work, and something their work made you think of? The post quizzes has a little bit of different questions, similar questions, and a little bit of different questions. And so if you could take that when you finish your feedback, and you can stay on the call to do that if you want and you want to hang out. If you don't want to hang out and you want to just do it on your own time, that is awesome too. So thank you so much for participating. I shared the post quizzes link in the chat box. I love seeing the growth people made. And Emily, congratulations. You, based on the pre-assessment score and the post-assessment scores, you made the most growth. And for that, you have earned a prize. And so I will send you your prize. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And whenever you guys are you all are feeling like you want to explore Canva or get some ideas of how you can implement Canva in your classroom, you can go to this additional resources tab. And I sent it in the chat box as well. And so that is where your graphics are of the different design tools you can use in Canva, as well as some different ideas of how to implement Canva in your classroom. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks. Have a wonderful Tuesday afternoon.
Bye.